Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to switch things up a little bit and give you guys a natural hair tutorial. Yeah, I usually don't do this hairstyle all that often because honestly I have a lot of hair and it takes forever. Like my arms were, cramping up a little bit there, my back hurts a little bit, need a massage, but it's fine. If you want to find out how to get these twists, just keep watching.
So to begin, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and then I'm going to section my hair off into 4 sections. Now starting off with my first section, I'm going to spray in some of my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Shine and Strength Leave-In Conditioner to easily detangle my curls. After I finish brushing through that section, I'm going to section off with my fingers a small portion of hair for my first twist. And I'm going to begin by wetting it some more using my continuous spray water bottle that I got off Amazon. Then I'm going to take a dollop of one of my all-time favorite Curly Girl products, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm going to add that to my hair to give it some hold, shine, and moisture. Now to reduce frizz and give my hair some added hold, I'm also going to take my Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel and add that to the hair. This stuff is amazing. It reactivates with water and it has great slip, which allows you to twist your hair really easily. Then I'm just going to split the hair into 2 sections and start twisting away. This is the really easy part. Occasionally I use a comb or a brush to comb through the hair just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. But you're just going to twist till you get to the end, and then I take some more of that Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie with my fingers and I add it to the ends of my hair and twirl it around my finger to give the hair a nice curl. I decided to do my first twist in real time so you could see how long it takes me to complete one twist. But for the sake of this video and anyone who's willing to watch it, I'm going to speed things up so you don't have to sit here for 3 hours with me while I do my hair. By the way, if you're recreating this look at home, be sure to keep your sections similar in size so your twists have a nice uniform look.
Kardashian glam member. Oh, Kardashian glam member. Well, I think that the love and the passion,
clip and snip.
you know, and the real desire.
Wait, I found a flaw. Apparently in grade 4, he bit some kid on the playground. He probably apologized on Facebook. Wait, so what you're saying is, he's...
And that completes this look. It is super versatile. I can wear my hair down. I can style this up if I want. I can even switch my part to the side. Just wrap the hair up at night so the twists stay nice and frizz-free. And this style can last up to a week. So thanks again for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.